How you going, guys? Just going to sort of actually cover the monitor in this video and what everything it does and how to use it. First up, this button here changes you to your camera views. You can see camera 3, camera 4, that's a multi-camera view, and then back to camera 1 full view. Up the top there you can see how much signal you've got, and then you can, that's about it really. You can put your lines on here, and you can also flip the camera every which way if you actually wanted to. A power button will turn the screen off, turn the screen back on, and our two arrows do like nothing. If you did have an SD card in there, they could be doing something, but at the moment, majority of people don't. Menu, cameras, so that's how you can pair cameras or delete cameras. We cover that in like a different video, but when you go into pair, you just have to put power to the camera that you're trying to pair, and that will do like that one. Across into settings, so calendar will set the date, so date stamp, you can turn that on or off. So menu to go back is a wow and like infinity sign to keep going forward. Default settings, so format the SD card if there's one in there. Language and auto dim, so actually auto dim can be on or off, and the sensor is here. It's already dark in here, but if I try to get a bit more, you can see the screen went light. If I actually covered it, it went dim, and then back to light. So you can turn auto dim on or off, and that was all our settings. I'll menu to go back. I record again. If you had an SD card in there, it would be coming up. Sorry. Record time, like how long you want to record each clip on the SD card for. So it would record like a minute, and then actually save it and then start again, and so on and so on. And playback obviously doesn't work because we have no SD card in it at the moment. So that basically covers all your settings on the screen.